Okay, we are to find the prime factorization using either the tree or the cake method. So I think I'll do the cake for A and C and the tree for B, since the tree you're more familiar with. So let's do the cake for 2 out of the 3 of these. Okay, so for the cake, I'm going to divide by a prime factor. So I know that 2 goes into 180 since it's even, and it goes 90 times. And then 2 goes into 90 again, 45 times. And 5 will go into 45 9 times. And 3 goes into 9 3 times. And I keep on going until I get my candle. Okay, so these numbers here are my prime factors. So I have 2 to the second power. I've got 2 of them. I have 3 to the second power, and I have 5. And it's always a good idea if you have time to just check, do the order of operations and multiply them. That would be 4, that would be 9, and that would be 5. And then you can do it in any order since multiplication is commutative. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 9, well, 2 times 9 is 18. I put a 0 at the end, so I know that it's right. Okay, we said we were going to do factor trees for 294. All right, so I could divide by 2. When I divide by 2, I'm going to get 147. Ugh. All right, I'm going to circle the 2 since I know that's prime. If we didn't know our divisibility rules, I think I would probably be inclined to say that this is prime, but I know my rule for 3. If I add 7 plus 4 plus 1, I get 12. So that means 3 is going to go into it. So I'm going to divide by 3. Well, 3 into 147, I get 49. So I have 3 and 49. 3 is prime, and 49 is that perfect square of 7 times 7. And so my factor tree gives me a prime factorization of 2 times 3 times 7 to the second power. And you could do the same kind of check that we did on the first one. Back to cake, we're going to divide this. And let's see, I know that 3 goes into this because they give me a sum of 15, and it's easy to divide by 3 because 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 twice. So it's 3 and 132. Okay, I know that this is divisible by 2. So 2 into 132, I get 62. So I get 62 here. That's even. Again, I can divide by 2 and I get 31. And 31 is a prime number. We are done with 31. All we can do is divide it by itself and we now get our little candle. And so these are my prime factors. So I would have 2 to the second power times 3 times 31. And you're done.